everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem Netflix gift card. To redeem your gift card on Netflix, first of all, open up your Netflix app or log into netflix.com on a web browser. After you are signed into your Netflix account, from the home page, go ahead and mouse over to your avatar at the top right and click on the account option. After selecting account from the menu, go ahead and scroll down and click on Manage Membership. Under the membership option, scroll down and click on Redeem Gift or Promo Code. Enter the 16-digit PIN code or your redemption code and click on Redeem in order to redeem your gift card for Netflix. Once you've redeemed the gift card, the balance will be added to your Netflix account and can be used to pay for your subscription or purchase additional content. So that's how you easily redeem your gift card on Netflix. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.